What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a 1-year review on the RECTEQ pellet grill. Alright, so I'm going to be cooking on this later, so I'm going to go ahead and fire it up, get it ready to be cleaned and everything. But since I'm going to do that, I'm going to bring y'all down here. Really nice pellet grill. I mean, you got your set point, and this thing ranges all the way to low, which is right under 200 degrees, so I'm guessing probably like 150 maybe, and it goes all the way up to 500, I believe. Yeah, full, which is right above 500. So this thing has a very wide range on where it can cook. You could go nice, low, slow smoke, or you could go fast and you could cook almost like a steak or some wings or anything on it, really. I'm gonna put it right here at 250. On the right side, it tells you what it's actually at, and then you have 2 ports for probes, probe A, probe B, and you can put a probe in there and stick it in your V. And what's really cool is that there's this little tiny little hole right there for your probes to go in, and it has a little notch. Just put it in right there. That's for your probes. All right, next we're gonna stay over here on this side. It's your hopper. I just filled it up, but this thing is massive. This thing could hold over a full bag of pellets. I mean, it's huge, and it lasts a very long time. I've done 18-hour smokes on this thing with a butt, and it lasts the whole time. I might have to refill it one time throughout, maybe not even if it's completely a full new bag. It just lasts forever, holds a lot of pellets, and is very good. Getting to the main portion, I think this is super cool. They have little like bull horns right here as your handles. I think that's super cool because it matches their logo. But open it up, this is what we got. I mean, it's big. It doesn't look huge, but you can fit a lot of meat in here. I've put full briskets, 2 butts in there. I've put whole chickens, whole turkeys, anything you can think of. I fit it in here. I had no problem with it. It's super nice grill, holds very well. I know it needs to be cleaned, that's why I'm firing it up. I need to clean it right now. But super nice grill, holds whatever you want to cook, and keeps the temperature right there. Whatever you set it to, it's going to stick in between 1 to 2 degrees in between what you want. So it holds its temperature phenomenally in the winter, in the summer, no matter the time of the season. It's going to hold that temperature. On this back side, I don't know if y'all can see it, right here, these are the vents for it. So it ain't got that big old tube sticking out that's coming out here. You ain't got a big old stack. It just comes right out of the back, which I think is very convenient. It's slick looking, looks really good. All right, you look underneath here, all that they have is just a little tray, which I don't mind because I don't keep much out here. Mostly what I use this for is whenever I get done with my extension, my cord, I just put it up underneath there, keep it, put the cover on it. It does come with the cover, which is super sweet. I have it just sitting over here, put it on in a little bit, but I'm gonna be cooking after, so I don't really need to put it back on. But super sweet, comes with it, never had a problem with it. I leave this thing right here. I leave it out here, put the cover on it, it gets rained on. It's not ideal, but it does. But that cover doesn't leak, nothing ever happens to this. I've had this thing for over a year, and I've had 0 problems with it. It works phenomenal. I've never had an issue, no leaks, no rust, no nothing. I mean, it works great. Over here on this side, I'll kind of pull it out a little bit. You have your drain, that's where it comes out of, you know, holds that bucket there. You know, simple, nothing too crazy about it, nothing too fancy, but it's simple. So now that it's getting nice and warm, just get this, clean this off just for a second. I mean, it comes right off. These are the grates that came with it. I have yet to have to replace them. No rust, no nothing. And so what you got the grates. Underneath the grate, you got this pan. That's where all your grease goes on. Drips this way, where that grease pan was. There's a little hole where all the grease goes to, dumps out there. Underneath that, it's like a little square, and the fire comes up underneath it, hits that square, creates the smoke, or creates the heat. So simple concept, but it works super well. I love this grill. So whenever this one crafts itself, I'm just gonna get another RECTEQ. I might get the bigger one. I believe this is the 530. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, or actually correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's the 530, but it's 5 something. It's not the biggest, not the smallest, but it works amazing for what you need. If you're just at home cooking for 2, 3, 4 people, this is all you need. You don't need nothing much bigger. It fits everything on it. It's amazing. All right, and that is my review on my RECTEQ pellet grill. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I appreciate y'all watching. See y'all next time.